You got the video on. It's gorgeous. I had a tear in my eye when you pushed him out. I could see it all. I didn't. Just a little, not even like deep. Looks so different when you could like the colour when they come out. You were worried.
He's making noises like that.
Do you want to hold him? I'll come up. I'll come and support him.
I want to feel my firstborn.